Hey ladies, Jazzy here. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you and show you how to use your measuring scale in order to create your meal prep. So for me today, I've got all of my containers laid out that I'm gonna use for the week, and then all of the different foods that I'm gonna be eating for the week, okay? Once I have those prepped and ready to go, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my container, I'm gonna place it on my scale, and I'm gonna press the on button. Once I press the on button, it's going to zero out. We gotta make sure that's at 0, okay? And then I'm gonna change over the units to what I need it to be for what I'm gonna measure. So for instance, I'm about to do my rice at 100 grams. So now, placing there, I can see how many grams of rice I've put into my container thus far, okay? Once I hit that 100, I move on over to my next container and I go ahead and I do the same exact thing. Now, see how that was on there? Let's make sure that that wasn't hiding behind there. Yes, it was. So we're gonna take that, place it, because every gram counts. Every gram counts. There we go. And then we move over and we continue to add. Okay, so now that we've put the rice in, we can go back through and zero it out. So we want it to say 0 grams again as we add that next portion into our container. So for me, that is the mixed vegetables here, and I'm going in with 60 grams here. So piling it in until I reach that 60 gram mark. And I'm gonna do that with every single container, making sure that it's zeroed out first, then I add my veggies and I continue on. Okay, ladies, so now that we've done all of the rice and vegetables, now I'm gonna add my protein, which is the shrimp for me. So bringing over my shrimp bowl that I have, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna place that into here. So now we zero out the scale, and I wanna put 4 ounces. So now it's at kilograms, and now I have it at ounces. So I can track and make sure that I'm getting approximately 4 ounces into this container as I continue in. And I'm gonna do that with every single thing that I have. Find a little baby one. And we'll be happy with that because it's very, very close. And that's what we're doing here. So every single one, we zero out that container, get it to say 0 ounces, then add 4 ounces of shrimp. Anything that we have left over, we can then put in a separate container to give to our kids or our husband or partner or whatever, because we don't want to waste food here, okay? All right, ladies, so then when we finish those meals, we're gonna have them all right here, laid out nice, ready to go for the week, and we move on.